Hi everyone, welcome back. The 100 days of this DevOps with AI tools learning path journey. I also have completed day 15 agenda that's about high availability architecture. So with that agenda, we completed successfully about the Linux path, the journey. But to move into this next DevOps concepts, the next another the important concept which we need to start it to learn it, that is about shell scripting. Yeah, the Linux, whenever we are going through that, yes, we were learning about it, the commands, what are the different commands we have that. So to manage it about users management, package management, service management, yes, process management, files and folders, permissions, yes, all these concepts related, the commands we were understanding. But commands, if you're using, is nothing but that kind of user interface, yes, which we need to the manually working with that terminals. Yes, then those points that is going to helpful, but those points are going to helpful. But as a DevOps engineer in the CI/CD process, if you'd like to automate it, the voice related activities, the knowing the Linux is not enough. Linux required, yes, deeply. Those concepts, that's 14 days activities, whatever we are going through that, those concepts required. But that is not enough. Now this is the time to move into that, the learning the some scripting approaches on those the Linux activities. Yeah, that is about the shell script journey, which we are going to start it. Yeah, before starting, that's yes, if you are following the learning path journey and if you feel this is very helpful, then please like, comment, and share the video. As well as don't forget to subscribe for exciting content to receive the latest updates. Yeah, now let's go ahead to understand this next the journey, how we are going to have this on the shell scripting. Yeah, how do you start the shell script journey is, yeah, once you log into this RNS portal, yeah, go to this about user menu section and then courses. And in the courses section, you can search for the learning path. Yes, search for this learning path course. Yes, this is the DevOps with the cloud learning path. So click on this learning path section, which will be redirected to the DevOps with the cloud learning path. Yes, what are like the courses which we are talking about? It already has been defined the one by one. Yes, we are moving that one by one. But now we just completed in Linux. That's the 15 days. That's journey. Linux admin for DevOps units. This was the course. And the labs and exercises, we are completing that as a day wise, which was organized. So now we are moving to that, the next around 9 days, which have been planned. That is about shell scripting and with exercises and assignments. I would like to start these two courses. So click on this, the agenda section, the course agenda. So go to this course. Yeah, course agenda here. So click on this agenda section with the forum links, which will be redirected to this page. Already we were understanding the Linux agenda. That was the last the 15 days, the activities which are going through here. Now this is the time for the shell scripting. But before starting about the day-wise sections, now first to start the courses. Yeah, if you'd like to access that's all these the next day-wise sessions, the first you need to start the courses. So to start the courses, what you need to do is, let's click on this start shell scripting courses, which will get it, which will be redirected to this page. So start shell scripting courses. So here you need to start the two courses. So one is a shell scripting programming, and second one is exercises and assignments if you would like to perform it. Yes, this is also another course which you need to start with. These two courses you need to start it. Yeah, if you click on this shell script programming, so this is a page which will be loaded. Then yeah, so here whatever the session wise we are going to talk it, the day wise, yes, you will find it all that the videos. And what are like exercises and the PPTs which are which we were discussed that in this video. Yes, you can find it all the PPTs and the labs and exercises. You can get it in this course. Yeah, these two courses which you need to start it. Yes, click on this. So once you access the shell programming, start the course. Then second course also, that is exercises and assignments, start the course. Now you are ready to go ahead to move to this. The agenda wise, that is day 1 to day 9. Yeah, the first make sure that you are going to access these courses and as well as you are starting the courses. So that is a prerequisite. Yeah, so that's all from this section. But if you'd like to, yes, access this course, yeah, already I'm keep on mentioning that, yes, you can access this course and you can the register now, and where you can start immediately the course and where we will give that the guidance how you can go ahead with the one by one. So if you'd like to start from the scratch to the master level, yes, this is a 100 days program with all these day wise plan. If you do that, definitely that we can make the successful journey of it. Yeah, that's all from this section. So we'll see this in the next section. Thank you.